So this patient, it's a really interesting patient. So this couple has traveled to us from Nepal. So you would have seen the previous videos in the Andrology channel. Actually, they had come to us, especially the male partner, he had azoospermia. So they came to us and we had stimulated them with the testicular injection along with the hormonal medication. And first in the trial TISA, we are able to retrieve the sperm. Then the couple came to us and they stayed with us for another 14 days for the IVF procedure, and we had successfully retrieved the sperm and the embryo eggs, and the fertilization was done. You can see how good the embryos are found in this video. So these are the embryos which are found. So these are at the day 3 of freezing, and today is the day we are doing the embryo transfer. So we thank God for getting such good embryos, and we pray so that they will be able to parent their own child. So it is a blessing which God will give them. Thank you.